In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row in Airtable. Whether you are new to Airtable or just looking for a simple refresh, I'll walk you through this process so that by the end, you'll be adding rows to your tables like a pro. Let's start right at the beginning, shall we? First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see the sign in option waiting for you. Click on that, and if you already have an account, you're on the right track. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're thinking, I don't remember my password, don't worry, there's always an option to reset it. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll see a prompt to continue. Hit that continue button and this will take you into the heart of Airtable where all your databases are waiting. It's always a good idea to take a moment here to make sure everything looks as expected. Next, you'll notice a selection of tables that you can work on. These are your canvases. Pick the one that you are interested in, simply click on the table that you'd like to add a new row to and it will open right up for you. Now you're inside the table. What you want to do is scroll down to the very last row. Keep an eye out for a plus sign. This symbol is your gateway to adding new data. It's typically located at the end of all existing rows. Once you spot it, give it a click. This will add a new row to your table, ready for you to start populating with whatever data you need. And just like that, you've added a new row to your Airtable table. You can enter your data into the fields and it will save automatically, ensuring that none of your work is lost. As an extra tip, if your table has specific field types set, like dates or drop downs, make sure your data matches these formats to maintain consistency and accuracy across your table. So there you have it. Adding a row in Airtable is straightforward once you know the steps. It's a vital skill that can help you efficiently organize and manage your information. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. Make sure to explore more features that Airtable offers, as it's a powerful tool that can simplify your data management in many ways. Until next time, happy organizing.